So, hi dear Virgo, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general health, career, finances, and spirituality reading for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the month of June 2026. Keep in mind, this is general. This might or might not resonate with you. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. And for personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Okay, let's start with your health because that is the most important thing. Let's see for your health what we have, Virgo. We have the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, your health is going to improve drastically if you are going through some kind of ups and downs and ifs and buts and this and that in your health. There are very good chances of having a very stable health, kind, compassionate, nurturing, loving, practical, and grounded. So, a lot of improvement is happening in your health because of maybe something around your environment is shifting and changing, and that is having a very good impact on your physical, mental, and emotional health too. Guidance here is a world card. You have to finish one cycle, you have to end something here. Maybe I don't know what that ending is. You might have to end some kind of habits, some kind of addictions, or something that you are doing continuously in circles. You might be going in circles when it comes to your health. You might not be able to come to some kind of conclusion or come to some kind of solid energy of, okay, this is what I should do to keep my health in check. So there is some kind of stopping to go in circles and taking one decision or choice and ending something, completing something. Okay, maybe you started a health regime or something, maybe you started a treatment or something. Properly end that, properly complete that, and then maybe move to the next chapter. Okay. For your career, whether you are doing job or business, we have the Four of Swords. Either you are going to take a break and or you are going to feel super disconnected from your career for the time being. You guys are going to feel like you're not doing, you are not getting what you want, or you're not able to do much the way you want it. So there is a pause, there is a, not a permanent pause or something, there is a deliberate pause here. There is a, maybe you guys are going to go on a holiday for some time or take a break or something for some time, and in this break or in this pause you are going to realize a lot of things about your career. A lot of things, actually. You guys are going to feel like, okay, I should be doing this or I should be doing that. Planning and plotting is going on in this break, whether it's 4 days or 4 hours or 4 weeks break, but something related to a break, something related to detachment for your from your career, pause from your career is happening here, whether you are doing it deliberately or it's happening otherwise. Guidance is the Two of Pentacles. If you're not sure about the career that you are right now pursuing, about the career that you're right now pursuing, you can look for other opportunities too. Nobody is stopping you from looking for other opportunities, Virgo. And if you are not 100% sure whether this is the career path for you or not, or you should go for another opportunity or not, take help from somebody. Talk to somebody who is like, who have the potential to give you good advice, a wise person, a mature person, a grounded person, or somebody who has gone through the same kind of ups and downs and on and off in their life regarding their career thing. So you can talk to somebody wise about your career thing, and then you can decide. Maybe if you're continuously in this up and down, on and off, in and out kind of unstable kind of mindset, it might not be a good idea to make any kind of choices or decision in this kind of mindset, huh? Calm down, relax, weigh down all of your pros and cons and positives and negatives about your actions and decisions, and then only make the right choice or decision accordingly. For those of you who are starting or restarting their career, whether job or business, so whether you're a fresh or experienced person, we have the Two of Cups. There are very good chances of you getting a really good opportunity with the help of an opposite sex person. Try to connect with opposite sex people when it comes to new opportunity, and there are very good chances of you having a collaboration or partnership with an opposite sex person, and then things are going to start working out in a really very very beautiful and positive way. There are very good chances of you getting a really good opportunity in your career or business, in your job or business thing, with the help of an opposite sex person, and or an opposite sex person is going to be of great importance for you for this month when it comes to your career or job or business thing, right? New one, new, like starting or restarting your job or career. I Okay, career, business, job, same thing. Okay, you got it. I'm getting irritated now. Guidance is the Six of Swords. Okay, you have to keep on moving towards calmer water. You have to keep on looking for opportunities, and you have to have this patience that things will start working out the way they should, but it is going to take time for things to happen, right? Patience is the key here. Maintaining your calm and peace is the key here. And everything that is not working out right now will start working out in your favor, but it is going to take time. And you have to let go of the past baggages regarding your career, regarding your business or job thing, that you might have experienced some kind of issues in the past. Okay, and because of those experiences you might not be very sure or very happy about your career energy right now. It's in the past. The past is gone, it's done, it's okay. So don't live in the past, live in the present, and be at peace, and be in this full of grateful kind of energy towards yourself and universe. Gratefulness. For your spirituality or your healing, we have the Seven of Pentacles. Things are on hold or on pause right now. You are continuously waiting for the results of your hard work that you have done in your healing or in your spirituality. Continuously ignoring the thing that's right in front of you, the opportunity that's right in front of you that can help you to go to the next level of your spirituality or healing, whatever it is. It's like a period of reflection and contemplation and evaluation. It is a good thing, by the way, it's not a bad thing. But you might be missing that opportunity that's actually good for you, and that is actually a choice or decision. It's not like you should be taking it or you should not be taking it. You know better than any tarot reader on this planet earth, and beyond that also, you know better than anyone else on this planet earth what you should be doing and what you should not be doing, right? Guidance is the Queen of Cups. Okay, you should have a very, you should start connecting with your heart. The moment you're going to connect with your heart, there is a lot of self love, self care, self healing that will start happening. Plus you will be able to understand other people, situations, things on a deeper level, and then you will be able to have more and more spiritual growth and happiness the way it should be in the coming future too. Okay. Okay. Self love, self care, self healing, and a lot of energy of connecting with your heart, staying in touch with your heart and soul as much as you can from your side is important in order to have that kind of deep rooted healing, and in order to have that kind of deep rooted spiritual experiences the way you guys want it. Okay, let's see. For your finances, we have the Ace of Cups. Okay, a new opportunity is going to show up in your life for your financial growth and success. Either you will be able to save more, or you will be able to make more money, and or new opportunity is going to knock at your door to start investing or saving or doing something about your finances. This is going to make you feel very very happy. For those of you who just started their saving things or investment thing or something, you guys are going to feel really very very happy because of the positivity and the positive results, the happiness that it's going to give you. Okay, so okay, that's really cool. Okay, let me invite you. I forgot. Let me invite you for the last time for the 7 day 7 Osho meditation camp that's happening online from tomorrow till the 11th of June 2026, 4:30 p.m. till 5:30 p.m. every day. 7 days for 7 days, and we are going to do different Osho meditation every day: Kundalini meditation, seven chakra meditation, grounding, and at the end we are going to do Osho Vipassana meditation. There is going to be a lot of healing. Okay, if you want to start your spiritual journey or restart your spiritual journey, or you want to enter into Osho's world, you are more than welcome to enter in my world, and I'm definitely going to be there, of course, right? And we are going to have a lot of fun, a lot of healing, a lot of laughter, dancing, maybe crying too. But just give yourself this chance to relax and start from the start. Okay, it's going to be a lot of healing and lots of fun. What else? Please read all the instructions and everything before you guys are going to apply, because the fees is non-refundable and we will not be able to provide any kind of recordings because I'm not allowed to do that. Simple as that. The link is in the description box for the same. Even if one person is going to show up, we are going to do the session. So what are you waiting for? Fees is very affordable, 3500 for Indians, and for others it's 125 USD. Okay, so just go click the link and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, and the guidance for you guys for your finances is 7 of Cups. Instead of scattering your money or your finances in so many things, in so many directions, try to figure out one or two ways for the long term that are actually practical, that are actually sorted, and that can actually help you in the coming future. And beware of investing too much money in one thing too. Okay, have two or three options, really good two or three options, and then you can have your money equally invested. But if you are super confused, if you don't know what to do and what not to do, please take help from an expert, from somebody who is experienced, or somebody who is like a professional in this field, so that they can create a really good portfolio for you guys, and then you guys can take it forward slowly but surely. So look out for the long term goals instead of instant gratification. Look out for the long term goals, and you are going to be like much more sorted and peaceful. Okay, cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.